इससे पहले कि किसी चीज़ का फ़ैन बन सकता था, मैं खुद स्टार बन गया। तो मेरे लिए वो चीज़ करना बहुत अलग था, और उन लोगों के सामने जो मुझे बहुत प्यार करते हैं, मनीष शर्मा और पूरी जो टीम थी।
Sir, also one more thing. Apart from the superstar that you are, you're also a brilliant actor with a great theatre background as well. There are a lot of budding actors who would like to learn from you. Would you ever like to open something like a Shah Rukh Khan School of Acting to give back all that you have learned?
I'm not the Shah Rukh Khan School of Acting, because I don't think उसका नाम ये होना चाहिए. It's very confining, because I just know one sort of acting. But yes, one of my dreams, one of my dream projects is to be able to create an institution where I can get youngsters to come and learn professional acting, the technique of acting, the different styles of acting. I was lucky, Barry John was there. मेरा कुछ हो गया, मैं थिएटर वेटर थोड़ा सा 7-8 साल कर लिया. I learned, I read a lot. Maybe a part of it came into me. लेकिन I think in India, one of the two shortcomings we have in acting and filmmaking is screenplay writing and a proper, something like a Lee Strasberg or Adler or any school. Anupam and all have done a great job. But I think it needs to be at a bigger level. We have international people. We have to accept the fact that if India needs to compete internationally, we need to understand the ropes and norms and techniques of international acting. I would love to do it. I'd like to dedicate my life. It won't be called Shah Rukh Khan School of Acting, because that will be not so international. But somewhere down the line, a school which I can provide to kids, boys and girls. My daughter wants to learn acting. I don't know where to send her in India. So I would love to have a school where kids can come, enroll, and understand from international artists what acting is about, the technique of acting at least.
Hello, Shah Rukh. Here. Yeah.
5, 6, okay. Okay. We'll see how it goes.
Okay. Hello, Shah Rukh. I am from Maldives. I have come here all over from Maldives, just representing the whole population of Maldives. They have sent a lot of love and a lot of wishes on your birthday. So, on behalf of all Maldivians, I wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Thank you,
And
people from Maldives.
all the fans, they just want to say hello, Maldives, from you to our camera. Is that there?
Which one? Maldivian, raise your hand. Which one, darling?
The last one. Yeah.
The last one?
Yeah.
Okay. To all the people in Maldives, I love you. God bless you. And thank you for sending such a wonderful representative who's making me say hi to you. And thank you for all your wishes and love you. I'll try and come there, inshallah.
Yeah, Shah Rukh, is that possible to take just one selfie after the...
अब तो ज़्यादा हो गया ना? We'll do it.
Hi. Hello, Shah Rukh. Hi. I'm Neha from India Times and IndiaTimes.com, and happy birthday to you.
Thank you, Neha.
And
Thank you very
from
much.
my mom and dad too.
Thank you. Please give them my love and wishes.
Yeah. Last night when I told them that I'm coming and I'll be meeting you, so they were like, we remembered this day when they took me for the movie. Raju Ban Gaya Gentleman was the first movie which I saw. And we went back in the 90s, and life was so easy back then. And today when I see life is so tough, like I'm 25, there is so much of pressure, there's so much of deadlines, there are so much of, work pressure, or pressure of getting married, or pressure so much. So I was thinking, what do you do, when you were 25, and what went through your mind? I'm nervous right now. I'm sure you must be nervous too during that time. So what used to go through your mind that used to keep you going and used to say that, no, I'm going to make it. I'm going to be the king of the world. And yeah, so what was it?
Yeah, I didn't think like that ever.
Okay.
I think हम में से किसी को ऐसा सोचना नहीं चाहिए कि हम जो है दुनिया या ज़िंदगी को फतह कर लेंगे. I think हमको जो अच्छा लगता है वही करते रहें. And I understand, being a lady, young girl, 25, the pressures that you have. Try and remember, it's a saying, but coal under pressure becomes diamond. So please believe that कि जितना भी मुझ पर pressure है, मैं वो अगर करती रही जो मेरे दिल की है. Of course, you have to respect what your parents say. I didn't have parents, so I miss that. But please respect what your parents say. Try to find a balance वो बोलते हैं अभी शादी कर लो, तो बोलो 1 साल और दे दो मुझको, मैं थोड़ा सा काम कर लूँगी। अगर मम्मी बोलते हैं कि नहीं नहीं फिर से 26 साल की हो जाओगी तो कोई लड़का नहीं मिलेगा एंड ऑल, तो डोंट वरी, टेल हर, ट्राई एंड एक्सप्लेन इट टू देम। आई थिंक पेरेंट्स, मैं अभी पेरेंट हूँ तो मुझको ऐसा लगता है कि दे ओनली मीन गुड फॉर यू एंड दे लव यू, सो द प्रेशर्स, हैविंग सेड दैट, India is on the cusp of the job that you do is going to become really, really big. It's going to become bigger than any other cinematic thing. Media is going to be fantastic. So educate yourself and find your footing and find your dreams, including the man that you love. But I would like to tell all the ladies, don't give up your job. Don't give up your job. Don't give up your day job for a night husband. Yeah.
Hi Shahrukh, I'm Pankaj from glamsham.com. Yesterday we met Salman Khan and he said that Amir and Shahrukh are turning 50, I am turning 27. He also said that your children, he would wish them all the best and he would like them to take your name forward. So what would you have to say on that?
Exactly the same. I would want his children to take his name forward. I would want his family to do well. I love Salman, yaar. So we'll not try to do any controversy here. He's a cool guy. He's a stud. He's a superstar.
And secondly, would you like to have your children also join the film industry? Do they have any plans? What would you like them to become?
It's not important what I would like my children to do. It's important what they would like to do.
And are they intending to join the film industry, since you are also an actor, a producer, and you have done so many things?
Let them get educated, यार. Graduate तो हो जाए, उसके बाद बात करेंगे यार. I mean, it's too early for me to turn on sign. मेरे बेटे को ये करना है, मेरी बेटी को ये करना है. But let me tell you, if they don't become actors, I'll equally love them and love them even more. It does not. हम उत्तराधिकारी फिल्म मेकर एक्टर नहीं हैं कि मैं एक्टर हूँ तो मेरा बेटा जो है एक्टर बनेगा या बेटी एक्टर बनेगी. उनको जो करना है वो करें. As long as they're happy and healthy, it doesn't make a difference. I have never told my children what to do. They should do what they feel like doing, because my father and mother never told me what to do. And see where I am. So I let them be also, and inshallah they'll be there too.
Sir, this is Nandi from DNA. Today the second teaser of Fan has released, and there's one line in the teaser which goes, लोगों को पता नहीं है वो सिर्फ स्टार नहीं है, वो दुनिया है हमारी. There have been millions across the globe whose lives you have touched. Now that you're on the other side playing a fan, has that somehow changed your perspective towards life in any way?
It was very difficult to do the film, like I told you, क्योंकि मुझे खुदा ने इतना दिया, भगवान ने इतना दिया कि मैं इससे पहले कि किसी चीज़ का फ़ैन बन सकता था, मैं खुद स्टार बन गया. तो मेरे लिए वो चीज़ करना बहुत अलग था, और उन लोगों के सामने जो मुझे बहुत प्यार करते हैं, मनीष शर्मा और पूरी जो टीम थी. तो कई बारी मैंने अपनी ही फिल्मों का, जैसे बाजीगर का वो डायलॉग है कि 15 साल से जो खून मेरी माँ की आंखों में आंसू बनकर रसता रहा, तो मुझे वो फिल्म के अंदर फिर से करना है एज आर्यन खन्ना. तो मैं शूट कर रहा था, तो मुझको मनीष और सारी टीम ने कहा सर वैसा नहीं है जैसा आप करते हो. तो सर मैंने किया है, मुझको मालूम है. इसे नहीं सर मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है सर, वो शाहरुख खान वाली बात नहीं है. ऐसे बट मैं ही हूँ शाहरुख खान, मैं ही तो कर रहा हूँ, मुझे तो मालूम है यार, मैं देख लिया वीडियो एंड ऑल. इसे नहीं सर वो आपकी आंखों में वो नहीं आ रहा है जो तब आया था. सो फॉर मी इट बिकेम वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू प्ले बोथ द रोल्स. You know, I'm playing Aryan Khanna, and we've reshot all the films and the clips that we have done as Aryan Khanna. We haven't taken Bazigar clip. मैंने फिर से या मनीष ने फिर से वो recreate किया है. So it was very difficult, very schizophrenic. और नज़रिया नहीं बदला है, क्योंकि मैं जैसा तो मैं बोल रहा था कि मेरे लिए उस जोन में होना जहाँ पर एक इंसान, लड़का या लड़की आपको इतना प्यार करते हैं कि वो मानते हैं कि जो आप मानते हैं वही मानते हैं जो ये मानते हैं. इट्स अ बिलीफ. इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू बी इन दैट प्लेस, आई बी ऑनेस्ट, एंड आई डोंट नो इफ आई हैव डन इट राइट, इफ आई हैव डन जस्टिस टू इट. मुझे ये भी नहीं मालूम है कि वो ठीक ठाक किया है मैंने एज गौरव और नॉट. बट मुझे मालूम है कि जो लोग इस फिल्म को बना रहे थे, मनीष और आदि और ये सब, वो मुझे बहुत चाहते हैं एज द मूवी स्टार दैट आई एम. सो दे हैव ट्राइड टू टेल मी the things that they like about me, and it was very shocking. I didn't realize कि यार मैं ऐसा करता हूँ तो उनको अच्छा लगता है, मैं कुछ और ही सोच रहा था. So it has been quite a learning experience, and very very how to say it यार, मतलब very nerve wracking. मैं बड़ा nervous हूँ उसके बारे में कि यार ऐसा सोचते हैं लोग मेरे बारे में, मुझे मालूम नहीं था. क्योंकि मैं सुबह उठता हूँ, मैं एक्टिंग करता हूँ, larger than life, घर चले जाता हूँ, पिक्चर बन जाती है. I really don't know how I touch people's life. So when they told me how I've touched their lives, it's very emotional and very, very heart-wrenching sometimes.
You know, in your last from me, in your biography, you had said that one day you want to like go out and travel the world and meet those people who say that you've touched their lives. Today, when you're playing a fan in your next film, when are you planning to do it? Is the plan still on?
जब तक काम मिलता रहेगा तब तक तो नहीं जाऊंगा. फिर ऐसा काम मिलना कम हो गया तो फिर मैं कहूँगा मैं जा रहा हूँ एक ट्रिप के ऊपर उन लोगों से मिलने के लिए. ऐसा मतलब दिल बहलाने को गालिब ख्याल अच्छा है कि मैं चले जाऊँगा यार, ऐसा मैं जा रहा हूँ, मुझे काम बहुत है लेकिन मैं उनसे मिलना चाहता हूँ जिनकी लाइफ मैंने चेंज की है. सो दुआ करो कि अगले 30 साल तक मुझको ऐसा मौका ना मिले. बट आफ्टर दैट आई विल डू इट.
Hello, Mr. Khan, with your permission, could we have 2 more questions? With your permission, or do we have any more questions? Give me
How many? Okay,
how many questions do we
4
have?
more?
Shah?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 questions. 8?
7 questions.
Okay, quickly we'll do it.
Hi,
Okay.
Shahrukh.
Okay.
This is Surbi from IBN Local.
Hi, Surabhi.
Sir, here.
क्या हूँ?
Yeah.
हाँ, okay.
Sir, wish you many happy returns of
Thank
the
you,
day,
Surabhi.
first of all. शाहरुख खान के लिए, शाहरुख खान से भी ज़्यादा, शाहरुख खान के साथ ही उनके फॉलोअर्स के लिए उनका कुछ फेवरेट होता है तो वो होता है उनका सिग्नेचर. आई एम सॉरी, आई एम ब्लैंक टोटली.
कोई बात नहीं, मैं भी इस वक्त completely blank हूँ.
बिगेस्ट फैन. सर, फॉर ऑल फॉलोअर्स आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू कि आप उनका एक सिग्नेचर पोस्ट किए साथ पे. आई जस्ट वांट यू टू टीच मी एज वेल. कैन आई प्लीज?
लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में. अच्छा यहाँ होगी.
हाँ.
आ जाओ सुरभि, आ जाओ. ओके ओके. म्यूजिक भी चाहिए. ये जो डिमांडिंग लड़कियां होती है ना, बड़ा प्रॉब्लम. कैन वी हैव म्यूजिक? है हमारे पास मोहम्मद? Thank you, Surabhi. God bless you.